Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to look at a new friend called Discord and see how it will help us in understanding this course a lot better. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump right to it. Ideally, when you just sign up on the page and you try to go through this bookmark section, you can see there is something written as the Discord rating. Let's click it and let's see what it has to offer. So it says, thanks for joining IITM PDS and welcome. I am only a robot of friendly staff, so it is a friendly staff and also here to help you. Need to reach a person. If you want to reach some person, then this Discord can help you. For safety reasons, we temporarily limit what new users can do. You will gain new abilities and badges as we get to know. So this will be covered in next video. What are these abilities and badges are there? Okay, and this we believe in civilized company. So there is small tutorial here. If you want, you can freely do it. But I am going to show you a very small way in how you can do it in very easy manner. So just click on this reply button and type @Discord and start tutorial. So there are two types of tutorials, but we are going for a very simple one. Once I click this Discord start tutorial, I received as you can see Discord greetings, and here it again says the same thing, but we are now going to work on. So it says if you like to learn more, select below and bookmark personal message. If you do, there may be a surprise involved. Let me just bookmark it. So bookmark is just for later use case. You want to use something, you can set it by tomorrow, later, just for reminding you. If you want that bookmark to remind you. I don't want, so I'll click none needed and I will just click save. Once I click save, it says excellent. Now you can easily find your way back to a background system anytime. Right now, the books tab on profile, just select your profile picture at the upper right. You can select here. This is the profile picture. Next, you can share one of these links with me and reply with a link on a line by itself, and I will authorize into the Nifty sum. So I am just copying it by right clicking it and pressing copy, or you can say Ctrl C and just click on this reply, and here I just nice. Let's see what it has. So inherent funny. This is the Wikipedia summary that it turned. Now it says extra link. Cool, this will work for most links. Remember, it is a must be on the line by itself with nothing else in front and behind. So if you see, we have just replied it with the link that we have nothing should be at the front or at the last. Nothing else. May have seen me use little pictures in my replies. Those are called emojis. So we all know what emojis are, right? So if you click on emoji, this Wikipedia page will open, but you can read it later. Now, can you add emoji to your reply? I'm just going to reply with an emoji. Let's see. If you type this, you can see there are a lot of things. So I use plus and I will message. Once I replied, that emoji. Sometimes you might want to get a personal attention even if you aren't replying to them directly. Type @ and complete their username to mention. Can you mention Discord in the reply? Yes, why not? That's what we have done in the first step. We have just mentioned the Discord. We are just going to mention it and I'm pressing message. Once I click on message, did someone say my name? I believe you did. Well, there I am. Thanks for mentioning me. Can you make some word bold italic in your reply? If you remember, this was from our previous tutorial where I told you how to make your text bold or italic. Also, I shared that this push of B and I button can be done. So let's say hello *Discord. You can see it is right. So let's click on message, and once I click on the message, great job. HTML VB code also works on formatting. That's also we have learned in this video. If you haven't watched it, go and watch that. It's very important. Can you try quoting me when you reply, so I know exactly which part you are replying to? If this is a copy, bring me some T, but if the T is they have given a quote, select the text of whichever this quote you prefer and then press quote button on that pop-up over the selection and reply button at the bottom of the. Below the quote, type a word about to why you picked that one, because I am curious. So I'm going to copy this entire thing, write in the quote, and it says that this quote is there. So I'm just going to copy this, just adding this quote. This is the button that you add quotes, or this is the VB code which we have learned in previous sections. And if you see, this has other formatting options like what is the post number and topic number. So once we do it, all we need to do is it helps in VB box. Let's say reply, and nice work. You picked my favorite quote. Here's the picture of unicorn. If you like it, go ahead and press the like button below this post to it. And you reply with a picture, any picture where you drag and drop, press upload button and even copy paste it in it. Once we click on like, and then we will reply it with a picture. So I'm just going to take a picture add it. This was just an invitation banner that I created recently. It says uploading 72%, 100%, and once it's done, reply message. Once it's done, you will see nifty picture. I press the like button and let you know how much I appreciate it. We like our discussion friendly. We need to have things civilized. So in the first even lecture, I said that it was a civilized community. Discourse is a very civilized community. So if you see some problem, flag the appropriate. Let the author of our helpful staff know about it. There are many reasons you might want to flag a post ranging from innocuous topics, slipping suggestions, clear-cut community standard violations. If you select something else, you start a private message discussion with moderators. There you can ask further questions. I wrote something nasty. Go ahead and flag the post. Select it to inappropriate details. So once I do it, you can see there is a flag icon. I will click on flag, it's inappropriate, and I'm just going to flag this. Once I flag this post, our staff will privately notify the flag. If you flag a post, it will automatically precautions. So since I don't actually write a nasty post, I have gone ahead and removed the flag. First, I have hidden a surprise in stock. If you are up for challenge, select the search icon at the top right to search it. Try searching for the term capybara. So you see, we can search from the topic itself. So I'm just going to copy it actually. Capybara. Once I found it, here is the capybara. Then did you notice you are back on the beginning? Feed this poor hungry capybara by replying to how emoji, and you will automate it to the end. So I will just reply it with this. So you can see how you can create games even on this post. Now I am already there. For more detailed searches, head over to full search page to jump anywhere in the long distance type. Try the topic timeline control on the right and the bottom on the mobile. If you have physical, press start to view our handy keyboard shortcuts. So you can see all these handy keyboard shortcuts by pressing this question key. And you can see there are a lot of stuff. So these are all there which you can even do. This is just a kind of cheat sheet. I will highly suggest that you go through this one later on. And this is now you have got this simple certificate which demonstrate your ability that you have completed this entire course tutorial. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm actually sharing you the information that you can use this course in a very easy manner using just learning from the tutorials of Discord. I have already shown you how you can invoke the functions on Discord so that it can help you in very numerous ways. So I highly suggest that you go and try all the functions that I have defined here. Also, you can type @Discord tutorial or advanced tutorial to learn advanced features of this course. That's it for this video, guys. If you like, you can share it with others, and if you have any valuable suggestions, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Also, do subscribe to this channel as I will be sharing a lot of full informational stuff on this channel later on. Finally, if you want to tag me on socials, here are my social links, and I highly suggest you go and watch my other videos if you haven't watched it. I have entire section dedicated to it. So see you later in another videos. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.